Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute primitive spool. It's a great way to bust through some of your strips. Just a fun scrappy thing to do. You can use them however you want in a quilt. Make a whole quilt with them, do a row quilt, do a border. It's just a fun thing. If you like my videos, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To make our primitive spool, we're going to need 2 4.5 by 1 3/4. This is our background. We'll need 2 1.5 by 6.5, and this is our spool top and bottom. And then we're going to need 4 1.5-inch strips. I just cut a variety and I mix and match them throughout just to make a variety. And I use the longer strips so that I can make more than one at a time. If your strip is longer than 9 inches, then you'll be able to get 2 out of that. A great way to cut your strips and to get a whole bunch really quickly is on the AccuQuilt Go with the 1.5-inch strip die that finishes at 1 inch. You can do these strips and you can do the tops and bottoms of your spool with that die. And I'll put a link to that in the description below. First, we're going to start by sewing our strips together. So we're going to go right sides together and sew along the strip. Once you get your set of 2 sewn, then you're just going to pick another fabric and put that right sides together. And we're going to sew this, and we're going to do a set of 4. So after this one is on, we'll flip and press and sew one more. Once we get our strip set sewn together, we're going to straighten up our edge here. So kind of just line up your lines on your seams there to make sure everything is straight. I'm just going to straighten up our edge. Flip this the other way, and then we're just going to cut this. It's going to measure 4.5 by 4 inches. We're going to sew that between 2 of our background squares. So flip right sides together, and we're just going to sew 1/4 inch here and here. Once we get our background rectangles sewn on, we're going to take our spool top and bottom and sew our strip set with the background between it. We'll flip right sides together and sew 1/4 inch on either side. And that's how you make a primitive spool block. So just rinse and repeat. Just keep making them. Just have fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.